Okay, as I promised, here's a video of the plumbing project I did this weekend on the compressor to build in some water traps. Starting here on the compressor end, you can see I come out, go back to the wall, I go into a T, and then down below you'll see a section of pipe where water can drop out and a valve to drain it. We go up a 5-foot section, over, down another 5-foot section into another T with another drop and a valve, over to another drop and another valve where I have installed a male connector to be able to connect an air hose, because this is next to my garage door and I can run a hose out the door to air up tires on my truck. I don't care if I have dry air for that. Okay, we go up and you'll see here that we go at a 45-degree angle. Pardon my shelving, and I know my garage is a mess, but it's just how it is. Anyway, you'll see we go up. There's a long, almost 8-foot run of 45-degree angle, which should, by this time, have the air cooling quite a bit. Water condensing, running back down to that third trap that I showed you. Comes over above my window, and then down my shop wall, right next to my very dirty workbench. And you'll see I just connected a little hose, just testing to see. I ran some pressure earlier, but you can see we have pressure at the bench, and I can also come off of here where I have my regulator and my dryer, and should have very dry air at this point.